I installed a new Ecobee SmartSi today. After it was installed, it only blows warm air. Setting is set to cool. I have rechecked wiring, turned everything off and back on through the circuit breaker, turned off the system through the new thermostat for over an hour and retested, but it's still warm air only.
Hello. My name is. I'll do my best to help. Let's get started and see what we can do. In the system settings, did you select yes for OB Energize on Cool?
Doing so now.
Let me know if this solves your problem. If OB doesn't energize in cool mode, unit will only blow hot air.
Okay. I went into the equipment settings. It originally had only furnace and AC installed. If I choose to install a one-stage heat pump, the setting you describe is there and set to yes. When I back out of that setting, the AC goes to not installed.
Tell me what type of system you have. Is this a total electric heat pump with electric heat strips?
I think so, but I don't know for certain. Also, now that I left those settings active, no air blows at all for cool setting.
Please look on both indoor and outdoor units and give me the model numbers. That will help me to assist you with getting set up correctly.
Found a sheet with model numbers: outdoor unit, carrier 25B348A00300010, indoor unit, carrier FV4BNB00600AAA. Found that having made those changes, the system reverted to the off position. Turned back on, and am getting cool air again. Thanks. Still would like to know best settings for the thermostat since it looks like it's more complicated than I thought.
Excellent. This is a two-stage heat and single-stage cool heat pump system. Make sure we are set to heat pump. OB energizes in cool, min outdoor temp around 20 to 25, yes allow O heat.
Is there a furnace installed? What should min off time be? Is it a geothermal heat pump? These are the final settings I think for installation.
1. You do not have a furnace. Furnace refers to a gas heater. You have an air handler with backup heat strips. 2. Your heat pump is air-to-air, not geothermal. 3. I recommend minimum off time is 300 seconds 5 minutes, that is plenty of time for refrigerant to equalize after shutdown.
Okay, thank you. All this changing settings is making the compressor turn off, and 5 minutes at a time, but I think the problem is now fixed. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Just let me know if you have any more issues.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert, now visit justanswer.com/YTHI.